What in giggity God's name is this dude doing? Shut up! Did this dude just throw a slide at me? You just threw a slide at me. You just wanted to throw a slide at me, didn't you? You're cooked.